Greetings, dear viewers. This year marks the 180th anniversary of the birth of great poet and thinker Abai Qunanbaiuly. On this occasion, the Saraishyq Museum Reserve is honored to read his poem for you. When I Was Young by Abai Qunanbaiuly. When I was young, I didn't give much thought to knowledge. I saw the use but didn't test it out. When I grew up, I didn't know how to latch onto it. I stretched out my hand to it very late. Who should I blame that I was left with nothing? If I'd striven in time, would I be like this now? Children are one of the joys of life. I'm not against teaching them. I put my son in madrasa so he could acquire knowledge, not to gain favor or status. I myself strove to bury myself. In the field of rhetoric, I was second to none among the Kazakhs. But no one can value your works, and so I preferred in everything the peace of solitude.